Welcome to IQS Quiz. Haha! Think you can guess the word from just emojis? Test your skills and see how many you can get right. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IQS Quiz. Comment your score at the end. Let's start the challenge. Can you guess this word? Soda pop, easy one. Can you guess this one? Baby shark, doot 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 doot. What word do these emojis make? Spider-Man! Nice! Can you guess this word? Facebook! Too easy. Take a look at these emojis. Burger King! Yum! Can you figure this one out? Police car! Great job! What do these emojis mean? Firefighter! Can you guess this sweet word? Cotton candy! So sweet. Here's your next challenge. Cookie Monster! Cookie time! Can you solve this one? Wheelchair! Well done! What word do these emojis make? Banana chips! Crunchy! Can you guess this food? Cream cheese! Tasty! Look carefully at these emojis. Fingerprint! Got it? Can you guess this tricky one? Sandwich! Tricky! Here's a tougher challenge. Moonflower! Beautiful! Can you figure this one out? Tulip! Nice! Think carefully before answering. Earthquake! That shook you. Only a few left. Moonstone! Awesome! This one's a bit tricky. Jellycat! Cute!
final challenge. Carriage bed. You did it!
Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.